Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to register this InterLink. Most of you have been asking me in my DM to make a video on this. So I've dedicated my time. I made out a video on how to register, and also I've created a separate video on how to perform the task and mine it effectively. Okay, so after watching this video, I would advise you all to go over the link at the description of this video and watch the next video on how to farm effectively. I wouldn't cover everything in this video because of space and how to create time to do the both, so that it will be easier for you people. So let's go over this quickly. And most importantly, if you are entering this channel for the first time, I advise you like and subscribe to this channel. I don't post anyhow videos, so whenever I post video, I believe it's very helpful and it's going to assist you in many ways. So let's go over this quickly. So the first thing you have to do is to come here, sign up. If you are new for the first time, you create any password of your choice. You can create any password of your choice, okay? But it must be 4. So after creating it, you click on continue. Okay, if it has been registered, you just select the random number 1440. Okay, if you type anyone and it has been registered, you just come over here and tap on this. It will generate a number for you. Okay, now this will be your interlink ID. You just have to screenshot it so that I can know, or you can just have a copy of it, so that whenever it is needed, you have to go and copy it and add it. So you come here, click on this. Now you select any password of your choice, and it must be 6 digits. Okay, just select any password of your choice. Okay, let me be sure about what I'm inputting. 9500. You click on continue. You confirm the password. Okay, 199500, and sign up. Now, yeah, these are the 3 options that is given to you, so you have to select the one that you think is good for you. So I want to choose scan face. Okay, I want to use sign up with email, so I'll sign up with my email. Then I'll select any mail here. I'll select one of my mails to sign up with. You can use your face scan or any of the 3 options. There is okay. You can choose any one. Successful. Login with your new account now. I've registered successfully. Now I can go over now and log in with this my details. Don't forget to screenshot this so that I have it. Okay. Then I can log in now and continue. You can decide to authenticate. Use your phone and log in, or you can just confirm with the password that you created initially. Let me insert it again. Login failed. What's the problem? 9500. Okay, good. That's finally logged in, guys. So you have to select the email that you used before. So if you are logging in with your Gmail, fine. So since I registered with my Gmail, so I'll be using my Gmail to log in anytime I want to have access to it. Okay. So I'll just come here, click on this. Okay, it has given me access to the platform. Now I can start mining. Okay, So as I told you earlier, I've created a separate video on how to mine this. I did this just to make the whole thing easier for you and not to make it that bulky for you people. So if you want to watch it, just check under the description of this video. You will see a link to the video I created. You have to go over it and watch it. And the video there will teach you the effective way on how to mine this platform. Okay, yeah, to teach you the effective ways on how to mine this platform. But what I've just done here is how to register on this platform. Many of you have been asking me how to register this, having issue about this. So this video I've explained everything. So go ahead and register it, and then don't forget to check under the description of this video to watch how the next video that will teach you how to mine this platform effectively. See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, drop it at comment below, and don't forget to refer your friends. See you in the next video.